Well, I'll say it's not gonna be easy, but we gotta do it. We gotta do it, and I'm actually super excited about this. If you guys don't know, this is my father's-in-law F150. This baby has 300,000 miles on it. But to be very straightforward, we're gonna remove everything on the front except for the hood. I don't know how hard it is. I've never done this before, but hey, let's get to work. First of all, it's super hard to open this hood by yourself because I don't know. I need to figure that out what's going on, like if the cable it's not like super tight or somewhere, but I'll figure out that later. As you can see here, look, zip ties. This headlights probably broke. Look, zip tie all over. So maybe we need a new headlight. Of course, this panel it's gone. I saw a couple of zip ties here as well, as you can see. I don't think we're gonna have a lot of bolts to work on because it seems everything it's zip ties. But hey, let's get to work before my protein shake. Alright, fender number one out. And the reason why I took this one out first, because I never did this before. So I was like, you know what, I will give it a try. So far, a little rust that I'm gonna sand it down. You know what I'm saying? Like spray some black paint or something just to hold the rust a little bit here. But this fender here is done, it's gone. I think the only thing we're gonna use is this. And should be it. Look at all that mess dirty, which is good because now we can clean. We can make this truck look a little bit better. Now I think I'm gonna, since I know now what to do with the fender, I'm gonna remove the headlight, try to remove the bumper and come my way this way. This fender is going to be removed too. We have new, everything is new except for the headlights, but I think I'm gonna get new headlights anyway, because those, you see, you have parts of the headlight here, so it's not good. All right, let's keep working. Whoa, dude, yeah, there's no front end anymore. So far it's not hard at all. The only thing is the hood struts. They attach to this bolt over here, which is over the fender. And somehow this truck was painted probably a zillion times, because you can see like how the bolt it's painted, right? Here on the front, it's just a bunch of, you know, 13 millimeters. But look at this. Whatever happened here, the heat that this truck got wasn't too bad, but was bad enough to bend this and destroy the headlights. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the truck outside to see if I can see more in the lights. I'm trying to provide as much light as possible here, but it's not easy at all. And maybe I'll try to fit the fenders and make sure it's right. And if it's right, take everything out and paint it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right. Everything that came out of the truck. So I think what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to fit at least a fender and see how that looks like. Today would be a perfect day to paint because it's like 50 degrees and I'm gonna paint here outside. Yeah, that doesn't need to be perfect, and I'm gonna compound this or wet sand it just to make shine a little bit. And here on the back, I'm gonna sand this down too and paint it just this part of the fender, and then we're gonna give a little nice cleanup. Maybe I'll blast dip this boards in black. I think it would look sick and would look, you know, so much better than chrome. Try to get rid of the chrome. I think it's gonna look better. Maybe get a new batch for the Ford. We'll see. The fitment is not worse. There was a gap before, which I believe this hood, it's like it's banded or something, but it's not horrible. Like I can line up because this is still gonna be attached here, so it's gonna make it even straight. You see, I'm not worried about that many gap. I still can bring this up a little bit because I think I can maneuver the hood a little bit. We have one problem though. See here, this one came banded. I'm not sure, I don't remember to see this. I didn't put it anywhere where the stuff was over it. I think it was during the shipping, but it has been 3 months, 4 months that I bought those. Then now it's I'm gonna try to return, but I think it's gonna be impossible. So I'm gonna try to just bring it up, and since I'm gonna paint it, I think it can make work. I hope, we'll see. But it's getting along. It's already better than was for sure. Those crappy ones, like, dude, once we paint it, I don't think it's gonna be a perfect fitment, but it's gonna be better than was, and I'm okay with it. I had to stop because this is garbage now. Oh, everything here is garbage though. Look at that. Yo, what's up, boys? I had to stop during that day because I ordered new headlights because I want to assemble everything to make sure everything fits well before we go ahead. You know, I don't want to put the bumper and don't have headlights to finish up. So that's it. So far the fitment is okay. I also order new carpet though, because the carpet here is like gone. So I'm gonna remove the seats. We are supposed to get snow Friday, which probably we're seeing this on Friday, and I have to wait for the headlights, which should be here Monday, and then I can start putting back together. So this is the project we're gonna attack as of now. I was planning to record just some big video on it, but I might as well just show you guys step by step And the good thing about me, you know, doing this by myself, it's because this is getting me really excited to get an old truck, because I still need to paint, I still need to make sure everything fits. By the way, I also ordered new fog lights. But as I was saying, this is getting me really excited to, you know, have a project truck, an old truck to restore. This truck actually runs pretty good though. I think it's gonna be really nice when we're done. All right, so a quick update on the Corvette. I'm waiting for the wide body. I ordered a couple of parts from Bumper. My coilovers are here already, so I'm waiting for everything to be here so I can start to work on the car. So for everybody, you know, that you guys are asking about the Corvette, it's getting done, but it's gonna take a while until I need the final piece. I think I figured out the wheels that I'm going with. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next one. As always, never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.